It just don't get no prettier than this in Eugene. And in front of us today, we have ourselves a Mustang with erectile dysfunction on the driver's side window. I've already got a few things apart here. We're going in to replace this regulator and motor assembly. However, it's also out of track, and I have some questions about what may be missing from a piece or two in here. I won't know until I got it out the rest of the way. So what I'm going to do is bend these tabs up so I can slide these tracks, this one completely out. I'm going to rotate this arm around. Well, I guess I don't even have to bother with that. It's out already. So I'm going to slide that out, and then my regulator ought to just come out. We'll have to fight this window back into track. All by my lonesome, that kind of sucks. But one piece at a time. Let's get it done. Disassembly, I think I have a better understanding of the mode of failure on this one. So, your window has a ball head that attaches to a plastic slider that moves up and down in this track. I believe that ball popped off, and that caused the window to jam in a sideways position, and then the regulator murdered itself trying to push it up. So I've managed to find the little piece and get it clipped back in there. It took significant force to pop that back in there. I'll kind of show you what we're looking at here. It took significant force to pop that back in there. So unless the regulator itself was jammed a little, I'm hoping that'll just stay. I'm going to tell the client to be real gentle with it, as I don't have that replacement piece. So I got that popped back in. And then to get the front leg in, I loosened these two nuts up until I could move this track around to get it around the arm slider. This one just seems to have a metal head that sticks in there. I don't see a plastic piece. It seems like there could have been one, but it doesn't exist. So that's what I have. I'm looking around in the door to make sure there's no pieces that could have fallen down, but I'm hopeful here. Let's see what we can get done. All the broke old crap and what's left of that. Here's the new one installed. Let's give it a little run test. I'm going to call that a mission accomplished right there. Looks like a functioning system. Alright, that was a productive way to spend the afternoon. Let's see what we have here, minus all my handprints. So we got the door assembled back together. That's good. Got the Mach 460 sound system back installed. That's good. Ain't a whole lot of miles on this car. 2002 with 72,000. Heck, that's a good one. Yes, I'll take a double quarter pounder of cheese, make it a combo, supersized with a Coke, thank you. That's accomplished. We're gonna pull it around, we're gonna park it.